Hey guys, yeah, just finished setting up the Dutch bucket system. I bought these buckets yesterday. These buckets, let's see if you can see us on the side here. They had cream in them before. So as you can see here, yeah, skim milk and all that. So yeah, they're food. They've had food inside them, sour creams, and yeah, so they're food safe. And they're really good because the lids clip on. These are 10 litre buckets. The lids clip on, they snap on really tight. So when you put your net pot in the centre, if the hose actually comes out into here, the water's still going down around through the side here and going in underneath. On the front here, I bought these angles. You can't buy these in Australia. I don't know why. Sorry, the part in here it goes into the bucket. This part here goes straight in, and it's got a screw on the inside on the inside. It's got a thread on the outside, so these can screw on. And yeah, so I got all these when we were in Jakarta last. So yeah, they're pretty good. Yeah, it's a 25 mil pipe. It's a drain line pipe. There's a 15 mil in line. You can see it comes up from the bucket, from the reservoir, and runs along the top here with 4 mil holes running off. These are called takeoffs that go on here. Yeah, so there you go. There's 10 buckets there, guys. You can see the roof I put on it. Yeah, give it a bit of an Asian style. But yeah, made out of this steel, they use in walls. Yeah, so yeah, put all the buckets on, they're all ready to go. I put all the clay balls in, it's all up and running now. Got the reservoir underneath, everything's connected. I've put some nutrition in, so next we'll put the plants in and we'll see how they go. So we're going to put fruit in them, like rock melons and that, and we'll put the strings going up to the roof, and the rock melons can climb up there. So there you go, guys. So this is the system number 4. So there's a floating raft system. There's this Dutch bucket, 10 buckets, and then there's two NFTs, all running on solar power. So yeah, there you go, guys, running on battery. Cheers.